Hi guys, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. As you know, the small channels, the little creators have to purchase their own products in order to make reviews. And today was the first day when we normal people were able to get our hands on the new Sony A7C Mark II. So let's take it out of the box. A big box for a small camera, right? So yes, I ordered just the camera body, no other lens, nothing else is in the package. Paperwork, of course. We have the shoulder strap. We get a battery, and thankfully it's the APS-C 100. I have those for the Sony A6700 already, so this is a nice addition. And here's already the main event. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, I like. I like a lot. It looks nice. It's almost the same size as the Sony A6700. So that's my unboxing for now. Let's see if there's more in the box. Nope, that's it. I really like it a lot. It looks fantastic, it feels good in the hand, and what I'll do next is a video comparison side by side to the Sony A6700, and we will compare everything, the features, the feel, the grip, the versatility and the use case scenarios for each of those cameras. So stay tuned, this is going to be one of my next videos. Thanks so much for watching this, and as you know, a free way to support my channel is to leave a like. If you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.